Hi everyone, welcome back to the Microsoft Excel basics. Okay, so today we're going to learn how to do using the format table. Okay, using the table function in the Microsoft Excel. Right. So there are two ways to go about it. Firstly, we have insert. Okay, we can go to insert and then you can select table. Now, what you can see here that you automatically select any table that is obvious. If it's not obvious, you will have to select it on your own. Okay, so you can see here that this create table will pop up. All right, and then it will also highlight the regions that you assume that you want to create a table at. Okay, if your table includes a header, make sure you tick this is tick, but if it's not, make sure you untick it. Okay, if you untick it, it will take the first row as part of your data, whereas if you tick it, it will treat it as part of your header row. Okay, so depending on what you want, do accordingly. So if I press OK, what will happen is that you can see here the header will have a different color. Okay, it will be definitely be different from the rest of the rows. Okay, and then you can see as well that it is organized in a variety of different ways. Okay, but so what is the purpose of using this table is that one of it is that you automatically filter it. Okay, you can have your filters here. Okay, easily. You can also sort according to each column. All right. Additionally, you can do a lot of other functions, which we will explore in future videos. Okay. So this is one way. We also have another way. So I've just undone it. Okay. Another way is that you can highlight the table that you want. Okay. In the Home tab, you go to the Styles group. You can select Format as Table, and there over here you can select the style that you would like to use. So let's say I use this one like what you did earlier. Again, this pop-up table will appear, so just press OK, and there you go. Okay, so you can change according to your preferred style. All right, so this was the style earlier. Now, what if you receive a Excel file that contains already a table, but you don't want it as a table. You just want it as a range. Okay, if you just want it as a range, there is a few ways you can go about it. The commonly used way is you just copy and paste somewhere else, and just paste just the values. Another way, you can select this whole thing. All right, you could go to the uh let's see, where is it again? Tables, tools, design tab. Okay, in the tools group. Okay. Okay, so in the table design grab, you can tab, you can go to the tools group and then you can select convert to range. So what will happen is that if I select this, it will change back into a normal range while the formatting will remain. Okay, but you can see that it will no longer function as a formatted table. All right, so yeah, that is all for today. Thank you.